Hi, Crew East Bay. I'm Jessie Banuelos, your Director of Diversity and Inclusion. Back in June, our board released a statement that Crew East Bay stands in solidarity with the Black community and calls for increased awareness in allyship. In our statement, we made a promise that we were going to take action, and we are taking action on September 8th. We invite you to attend our workshop from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Our all-member session will be exploring the topic of allyship, a work in progress. We will be joined by Dr. Placida Gallegos and Dr. Pamela Hopkins from Enact Leadership. They will lead us through an interactive session that allows us to examine differences in our lives, both at work and at home, and how we can support one another across those differences. They aim to equip us with building more robust relationships that can tolerate rough waters and create more equitable, diverse, and inclusive environments. We ask you to stand in solidarity with us and to join us on September 8th for our workshop. Click the link below to register, and I will see you there.